What is your favorite dessert? Believe it or not, I don't have much of a sweet tooth. However, I do love food. Not sure if it's legitimately possible to not. So I guess I'll be sharing the different types of food that comes to mind when asked this question. Cheesecake. A simple slice of simple cheesecake with a simple syrup or topping. None of that overkill stuff you get at Cheesecake Factory. Nice. And simple. Drawn, caramelized banana spring rolls. Fried. Brown sugar syrup. Mouth drowned in drool. Goes great with vanilla ice cream too. Filipino. Rash malai / ras malai, rice cheesecake. Try it if you haven't yet. Once in your life. I don't know much about how it's made. All I know is that it tastes like little blobs of milky creamy heaven. Originated in Bangladesh and West Bengal, India. Widely consumed in South Asia. Lech flan, creme caramel on steroids. Basically creme caramel's bigger, badder, richer, tastier, heavier and healthier Filipino cousin. People who tried this for the first time have never not gone back for a second serving. Never. Cheese kataif, ataif, deep-fried Arabic crepes with cream cheese filling and syrup. I mean dude, you got the thick crepes, then you shove cream cheese in that, then you deep-fry that shiz and then top it off with syrup. And them people worry about calories in apple pie. It's to die for, mate. It's an Arabic dessert appetizer and is usually made and eaten in the month of Ramadan and varies a little bit from place to place. Kunafa plus Nutella kunafa, it's very hard to explain really. So in case the kataif wasn't able to get your heart to go in complete cardiac arrest, these guys surely will. Vermicelli. Yeah, better have your doctor on speed dial. You'd be off with a smile of contentment though, that I can guarantee. Arabic and widely consumed throughout the Arab world. It's pretty much the same as a normal fruit salad. Except it has cream. And nata de coco, coconut shavings. And coconut strips. It's delicious and will be found in pretty much every Filipino household in Christmas and New Year. Hey, it has fruits, don't it? Probably the most famous amongst Filipino desserts, it literally translates to mixtured or a mix. I could write a novel with the amount of ingredients this thing has. On a hot summer day in the Philippines, there's nothing anyone would desire for more than halo served in a huge ass glass. Oh yeah, they also give you the worst brain freezes. Various kinds of barfi, aka barfi. Milky snowballs of heaven. This is South Asian and is derived from the Persian word barf, I know right? Which means snow and would be found all over the Indian subcontinent. There are literally hundreds of varieties all over. So far the best I've tried personally are Punjabi, Pakistan, and Marathi, Maharashtra, India. Every single time you take a bite out of this thing, may it be big or small, it just bombards your taste buds with such a unique flavor. present in 99.9989% of any major or minor events in its respective area. Donuts. Don't need to explain this one. Yeah, I don't need to say much about this one either. Some of my favorite flavors are chocolate, caramel, Yube, Filipino, Yube, Macapuno, Filipino, queso, Filipino, pralines and cream, Snickers, and you just honestly can't go wrong with an old-fashioned chocolate and vanilla frigging soft-served ice cream all swirled up on a cone. Hams Hussein's answer to what is your favorite kind of ice cream? Ice cream cake, ice cream and cake's love child. I don't like cake. There. I could kill for some of that thing right now though. Okay, I'm done for now. Shit, have to wait till work gets done to get any one of these. Cheers guys. Hope I got ya all drooling a puddle.